Hi, this is Julius Washington from the Washington Group, and we're out here today in Lugoff, South Carolina, taking a home tour of our featured community, which is called Gates Village here in Lugoff. The home that we're going to tour here today is the Galen plan, and the Galen is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. And it's essentially about approximately 2,400 square feet. So it's a nice size home. And the features and the touches that you'll see inside the house, the plan flows, and you'll like to see what I have to show you here. Okay, the first thing I'll lay out to you here is this is a wide corridor. As you enter into the home, you can see the spaciousness of that, and you wheel to your right, here's a room here. This could be whatever you want it to be. It could be a living room. You could make it into your dining room. You know, living rooms are sort of a thing of the past. So this could be possibly a formal dining room, or whatever it is that you want to make it. You have the flexibility of doing that. You go over here to your left, and this door right here will lead to the 2-car garage. Here's your half bath that I talked about and mentioned. Okay, you got a single vanity here, toilet, privacy space and all. Very spacious half bath, okay? Right here, you got the linen closet, storage closet with the coat rack here for you to put your winter coats at. And as you wheel to your right, you got the kitchen. Spacious kitchen with an island. Okay, you got granite countertops. It's a nice feel to that. Deep kitchen sink. You got stainless steel appliances, and essentially you have the dishwasher here. Okay, you got storage space with the cabinets. Here you have a gas stove with a 4-burner, but stainless steel, microwave. You've got a space over here for a fridge. And imagine if you work it right, you negotiate it right with the builders. They got a lot of incentives out here right now, packages wise, that will allow you to throw those other additional appliances. And of course, you have to negotiate that, okay? And with the right realtor like myself, we can get that done for you, okay? Very spacious pantry, a lot of shelving, okay? You can see that. All right, now I'm gonna wheel about. And look how large and spacious this living area here is. This is one of the largest rooms here in the home. Very spacious. You can see it. You can't. The video doesn't do it justice about how spacious this is. Okay, so that's it right there. What I wanted to show you here down at this level. We'll continue to transition as we go upstairs, and as we move in that direction. You'll see the stairs are to the back here. All right, we'll start right here at the staircase. Okay, going up the stairs. As we go up the stairs, you got a rail on it for safety purposes, carpeting as well. That's also a nice little safety feature to prevent you from slipping down the stairs as well. Okay, this is where you will find on the second level, second floor, all of the bedrooms. Okay, and we will start from our right and work our way all the way around it, okay? Here to your right is the first room, and which is the master suite or the owner suite, another large space where you have room for essentially a king-size bed with all the dressers and chest of drawers and all that, even more space for a sitting area, okay? Because you've got all that, all right? Now you got to take a look here. Look how spacious and large that bathroom is. Okay, double vanity or dual vanity. Okay, Corian countertops, nice shelving underneath. You got the vinyl flooring. Okay, a large garden tub, separate garden tub. Okay, for those days that you really need a good soaking. Okay, and then you have a separate standalone shower. So this master suite has it all. It has both of them. Okay, I'll let you take a look. Shelving there for your linen, and then a separate water closet that allows you to turn that on. You can close it and open it. Okay, with the privacy. Okay. There you go. Check the plumbing to make sure it works for you. All right, and then the last piece we'll look at here in this room would be the walk-in closet. Okay, there's your walk-in closet. Spacious all the way around, a little panoramic view of that, okay? We'll head out of this room here, head back into the main corridor of the second floor, and we'll transition to another room. And then here's your attic. You can go from there. Here's your laundry room. Okay, where you got the hookups for the washer and then the hookups for the dryer, okay? Shelving as well. We'll step out of here, leave from here, go into your second bedroom, which is a nice spacious bedroom with a closet, okay? Carpeted. Move from here, transition from here to the next bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. There you go. There's your closet right there. All right, let's take a look. Open it up since we talked about it. It's not a walk-in closet, but it's got space enough for you to put clothing in there. Okay. We'll walk away from here. Head down the hall a little bit more to the bedroom number 4. Okay. And here it is. Looks like similar size to the other bedrooms. Okay. And a closet for that space as well. Open that up for you. There goes the closet space. Move down the hall a little bit more. Here's the bathroom that is shared by those other 3 bedrooms, okay? You got the the shower and garden tub combination with the toilet and the dual vanity, okay? Overall, you can see okay, that's a wrap up for the Galen as we transition back down the stairs. And here's my call of action to you today. If you are looking to move, if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, if you're considering pulling the trigger, I would say reach out to me. Send me a text, email, phone call. I have WhatsApp, whatever is your choice of communications. I would love to have a conversation with you and tell you about the options and opportunities that are out here